For months now, I've been staring at my YouTube analytics. My videos has been getting impressions, but hardly did anyone click. There were no clicks. I thought the algorithm hated me. I even blamed the whole thing to the warning I got on two of my short form content. YouTube gave me warning on them. But then I noticed one number hiding in the plain sight, and it changed how I understood YouTube entirely. If your videos are stopped, this number might probably be the reason behind that. Most small creators ignore it, and some don't even understand what it means. This particular number is the CTR, which means click-through rates. It shows how many people click on your content once they see your video titles and the thumbnails. I have a simple example here. I had a video that got about 6,000 impressions or more, but only 2.2% clicked, which means around 140 something people watched that particular video. CTR is your first signals to YouTube. If your CTR is low, which means your thumbnail or your video titles is not strong. If your CTR is low, YouTube will stop pushing that video even if the content is very good. Think of it like a shop windows. You can have the best product inside that shop, but if the window is not good enough or it doesn't attract people, nobody enters that shop. Small creators struggle with CTR because of weak titles. If your title is very weak, boring, or not emotional enough, nobody clicks. Another reason for weak CTR is the thumbnails. If your thumbnail is not eye-catching enough, maybe it's too clustered, too much text, not curiosity-driven, nobody clicks. Also, we have the issues of wrong audience testing. YouTube might test your content to people that are not interested in those content yet, or to viewers that doesn't watch content in line with yours. I made a video with the title, "You are reading the CTR wrong." I thought the title was clear enough to give me clicks, but the CTR was low. I then realized that the title did not create any urgency or curiosity enough. Here are some simple examples. 6,600 impressions times 2.2% CTR is equals to 145 clicks. Then 6,600 impressions times 5% CTR is equals to 330 clicks. Notice the difference. Just a stronger title and a good thumbnails can double the views. In terms of titling your videos, use curiosity, pains, or example or numbers, figures. For example, why your CTR is killing your views, or stop ignoring the metrics. Small creators, watch this. I was reading the analytics wrong. Hear the truth. When creating your thumbnails, use 3 to 4, 5 words. Make it clear and bold. Use high contrast and bright colors. Facial expressions showing emotions: shocked, concerned, happy, or surprised. Avoid clusters. I tested the thumbnails with the word "stop doing this" in bold letters. CTR jumped noticeably, just a small change. Here are some things you should focus on. Keep consistency in style. The algorithm studies your channel's theme. Use A/B test if possible if you want to. Watch which video gets clicked naturally. Focus on the first 24 to 48 hours of the video and notice the improvement. Your CTR is a feedback, not punishment. Low CTR is not you to be mean to you. It's a signal feedback that you should act upon. CTR tells you, did your video attract attention? Did people feel curious to click? Make it relatable. I was frustrated thinking my channel was being punished. But when I understood the CTR, I then realized that everything was completely under my control. CTR is the gateway. Impressions are the opportunity, and retention is the reward. You can grow if your CTR is low by fixing it. It's simpler than what most creators think. Check your CTR in your YouTube studio. What is your lowest performing video? Try things like changing the title and the thumbnails. Small tweaks can double the clicks. If this video helped you understood what the CTR means or a little about the CTR, like it and comment below. And subscribe. I'll show you how to improve on your retention in my next content. Bye for now.